Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to install Java on Windows PC. Move to Chrome or any other browser, search for Oracle Java, click on the link Java Downloads, scroll down, you will see a Windows option. If you're Linux you can use Linux or Mac OS, so here I'm using Windows. So click on the installer hyperlink. Let's wait until it gets downloaded. Now open in the folder, double click on the installer file, download it. Installation gets started. Click on next, let everything be default. Next. Now it is downloaded. We can click on close. Once we have this downloaded, the next step is to add the environment variable. Basically we need to add the path to the environment variables. So let us go to the downloaded path. So go to C drive, program files, click on Java, JDK, inside bin, go inside bin. Click on the link, copy the link, that is basically the file path. So in your search box, Windows search, go search for environment variables, click on edit the system environment variables, click on advanced environment variables, go to system variables, click on the path, edit, let's add a new path, paste the path link copied, click on OK. Now our Java installation process is completed. Now let us verify the installation has been completed successfully or not. So I'm now moving to command prompt, cmd, click open. So here we can start typing java space -- version. So this gives us the version details, and so once we get this version detail, this shows us that the Java has been installed successfully in our system. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. More content loading. Thank you.